this video, we'll learn how you can earn money just by listening to music. Going to this website, SoundCloud.com, is the first step you must take in order to make money online. You can easily make $50 per day if you follow the steps thoroughly. You can also download the SoundCloud app to your smartphone from Google Play or the App Store, or you can just use your computer to listen to music. I'll show you how to do that in a moment. Scroll down to see some trending songs that the website will recommend for you. I'll show you how to listen to songs like these and get paid $6 for each song you hear. If you only listen to 2 songs, you can make $12. If you listen to 4 songs, you can make $24. And the good news is that there is no restriction on how often you can do this. So scroll up a little and click the button to create an account. It's very simple. If you scroll down, you will see more related songs. Now that you are familiar with SoundCloud, the next website I want you to visit is musicmatch.com. As you can see, each song is in its own category, and there are a few categories here. To listen to any of these songs, just click on them and click here, and they will start playing. Click on Top Lyrics to access the lyrics to any song you can think of. Let me select one of these songs to view the lyrics right away. Now let's return, and you can also type the name of any song you like into the search bar here, and the website will display its lyrics. For instance, let's return to SoundCloud and let me conduct a search here for a song that I like. This is one of my favorites. I'll click on this song and copy its name. Next, I'll return to the website and paste the name. The website will display the lyrics of this song here. It's that easy. So basically, what's happening here is that people listen to songs from platforms like SoundCloud and other sources and transcribe these songs into lyrics like just like these, and of course these people are getting paid for doing so. Now that you understand how the business works, I'll go back to SoundCloud and click on any other song down here, say this one right here, and I'll copy the name again and paste it to our site. As you can see here, there are also the lyrics for this song. You can imagine how much just 10 songs can make you per day, let alone 20 or 30 songs per day. You don't even have to manually transcribe these songs. If you watch this video to the end, I'll show you a website that will assist you. They will pay you $1.50 per minute, which means if a song is 3 minutes long, you will earn $4.50. If a song is 6 minutes long, you will earn $9 per song. Before I reveal the name of this website and demonstrate how to sign up for a free account and begin earning money below, I'll just say that it is called rev.com. This is a 100% legitimate website, and if you've never heard of it, they already have over thousands of users on this website rev.com. As you can see, there are various types of jobs available, including translating subtitles and creating English closed captions. You can even make more money per minute here, so if you speak more than one language, this is another opportunity for you. You could even make $5 to $12 for 1 minute. As you can see, this website will allow you to earn money from anywhere and anytime. It doesn't matter if you are sitting on a bus, lying on your couch, or wherever you are, you can still do this job. You can also work here as much or as little as you like. You can choose from the options. I will just concentrate on this audio transcription, which is just doing what we have seen before. It doesn't get any better than this, but if you want even better news, keep watching. Scroll down a little and click on Learn More under the Transcription category. Then, you can register by providing your information here. Please provide your first name. By the way, if you experience any difficulties registering for this website, just provide your last name, email address, and country here and click Next. It's always a good idea to diversify your income streams. Relying solely on one website is not the best course of action. I'm going to show you another website that is comparable to this one so that you can even double your earnings. This website is called gotranscripts.com, and it allows you to convert music into lyrics and earn money. Better yet, don't expect to become wealthy through these websites. It's true that you won't make thousands of dollars simply by typing on them, but don't worry, you can still make money. Use these websites to earn a few $100s and gain experience so that you can later use that experience to offer your services on large platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to earn good money. There is a lot of competition, so don't wait too long. Thanks for tuning into this wild trick of earning money, and be sure to stay tuned for more exciting content from us in the future.